Ayush Mahapatra from Vidyabharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Today I was very curious about this seminar. I was thinking all day that how it would be and what all I would be getting here, and then I came to here. I saw some big peoples, uh, like from their life experiences. I learned that past doesn't matters. You do many things, many mistakes in your past, but what all matters is your present and how you are deciding your future. And then I was given a group. Uh, and my group leaders were too frank and too supportive towards us, and they ensured us that we could share them everything about ourselves, and somehow a trust has been built by them, uh, and I could proudly say that I can trust them. And in upcoming 3 to 4 days, I'm expecting that I would be learning something new. I would be learning something different from everyone, and I'll make everyone know about that too. That what all I learned in this session.
Time was a very new concept for you. So,
Yeah.
how was your first day while being quiet?
Uh, it was quite actually that quiet time was very new to me. Uh, I didn't done I haven't done something like that before, or I haven't even heard about that uh, since now. But when I did it today and went to my personal zone, I could find out my flaws and my talents, my skills, and what all are I suppressing inside me, and how much hopes are binded with me. So many people's like my teachers, my parents are hoping for me. They are supporting me. They are guiding me, and then while doing quiet time, I realized that what am I doing? I couldn't achieve something for them. I couldn't highlight their name. So I realized that what should I do in my life, and how should I live in my present rather than thinking my past or future. I should live in the present and work for my betterment.
What is your story of change after attending Let's Make a Difference conference?
First of all, when I was introduced and I was sent here by my school, I didn't search about it. I thought it would be a boring session and all, or we won't be having that. I didn't knew that what all impact it would be creating in me.
Which part of the jar exercise could you relate the most?
The most relating part of the jar exercise was the red chilies and the smoking part because 2 months ago my friend were forcing me to smoke, so for 1 month I was very addicted to smoking. Like I used to smoke 2 to 3 cigarettes a day, and the red chili part that I was used to get angry very in very few moments. Like if there is a fight between, like if somebody has touched me, then I used to get angry and I used to hit him a lot. And after this jar exercise, I realized that I should not get angry in like very little moment, because anger is very bad for my health, and the smoking also is not good for my health. I realized that, and this was the most relating part of me.
How was the family session at the end of the day, and how are your relations, and how do you plan to improve it?
The family session was very inspiring, and my relation with my family is not very good because their opinions and my opinion does not match. My best relation is with my mommy because she understands my opinion, because she has been through this age and she understands me the best. My mother does not understand me. She always shouts at my opinion without even listening to it fully. Uh, and from 6 months, I am not staying with my mother because she does not match my thoughts, and she thinks that I am becoming worse after my father's death. So I'm staying with my nanny, and my nanny also understands me, but not that much. But we are living comfortably, and I want that Let's Make a Difference that they convince my mother that I want to stay with her, not in the morning because she's in the bank. At night also, if she accepts me at her home, that would be.
Can you share your story of change of this 4 days of the conference?
Yes. Before attending this conference, I was leading towards bad habits and was often mischievous in class. My relationship with my family was strained because I used to talk to them very disrespectfully. After attending the conference, uh, I got clarity about my vision and goals. My relationship with my family improved, and I got a skill to differentiate between wrong and right. And I would say that this conference turned my ideas into actions, my doubt into confidence, and it acted as a catalyst in my performance to become a better person.
Hello, I am Sheetal and today I am really excited for LMAD programs, further programs. I have never attended these type of conferences and I am really excited because we don't even know what kind of activities are going to be held tomorrow. I am really excited. हम बहुत ज़्यादा उत्तेजित बानी. धन्यवाद.
Did you get some clarity after attending the Power of Vision?
Yeah, I did. I got to know about my passions really nicely. I knew what my passions were actually, but I got to know more about them and what I want to pursue and what I want to follow. And I also got to know about my some skills which I never gave emphasis on. But yeah, thank you.
So will you try to put emphasis on your skills and your passions which you discovered today?
Yeah.
You will, right?
Yeah.
आज का जो क्वाइट टाइम आप किए वो कल से डिफरेंट कैसे था?
बहुत अच्छा था, डिफरेंट, बहुत डिफरेंट था। पिछले कल जब हुआ था क्वाइट टाइम तब बहुत ज़्यादा अलग डिफरेंस था मेरे अंदर। तब मेरे अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा ईगो था। तब सॉरी बोलना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था और तब तो मिस्टेक्स पता ही नहीं थी कि क्या मिस्टेक्स हैं। मतलब सब लगता था कि नॉर्मल है, ये तो डेली लाइफ में होता है, ये तो करना चाहिए, इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है। बट जब कल का कॉन्फ्रेंस सुना और समझा, उसको उस पर सोच विचार किया, विचारधारा से जुड़े और बैठे क्वाइट टाइम में, उसमें आज जब हम क्वाइट टाइम में आए, जब डायरी में कुछ लिखे, तब आई मेट माई इनसाइड सेल्फ विच वॉज टेरिबल एंड आई रियलाइज दैट क्या क्या गलती की है हम आज तक, जो कि हमको लगता था कि ये नॉर्मल है, बहुत नॉर्मल लगता था, पर आई रियलाइज कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा गलत है। और फिर उसको हम डायरी में लिखें और आई हैव प्रॉमिस माई सेल्फ कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर काम करेंगे। हम एकरा के कोशिश करब कि बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाए हमारा अंदर से।
What is your story of change after the conference of Let's Make a Difference?
So first of all, I came here to skip my schools. बचने के लिए स्कूल से आए थे यहाँ पर यहाँ कर ये नहीं पता था कि अपने ऊपर के, अपने अंदर के बारे में जानने को मिलेगा। मुझे लगा था यहाँ पर दूसरे स्कूल से कॉम्पिटिशन्स होगा, मज़ा आएगा, ये वो, पर यहाँ आकर पता चला कि खुद को जानना है यहाँ पर। तो सबसे पहले तो खुद को जाने, उसके बाद खुद का गलती को जाने, उसके बाद क्या अच्छाई है उसको जाने, उसके बाद क्या सुधारना है उसको जाने। यहाँ पर बहुत सारा ऐसा एक्टिविटीज़ हुआ जिसको देखकर और लगा कि हम और ज़्यादा बुरे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरे। जो पहले लगता था कि ये तो नॉर्मल है, बहुत कॉमन है, ये तो सब करता है और इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है, और अपने आप को देखने का मन नहीं करता था। मतलब कि जानते थे कि हम बहुत बुरे हैं, पर क्यों देखें? हम एक जस्टिफिकेशन का बबल के अंदर थे कि नहीं जानना है हमको हम कौन है, क्यों जाने, और कोई नहीं हमको सुधार सकता है, और हम बहुत अच्छे, ऐसा हमको लगता था। पर जब हमको पता चला कि ये गलत है, हम जब सोचे उसके बारे में ये बहुत गलत था, तब लगा कि नहीं, सच में गलत है। और अब हम इससे एक ही सीख लिए कि हम इसको अपना लाइफ में लाएंगे और क्वाइट टाइम करके हम सोचेंगे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, और अपना ईगो को ख़त्म करने का कोशिश करेंगे।
Hello everyone, I'm Suneli Sona from Random Public School and I'm just 16 to grab these all interesting things around me, and I'm feeling so happy, and I'm just so fortunate to be a part of Elmad, and I'm loving this area a lot. I really don't want to go home, and I want to enjoy this whole surrounding, and I'm really loving all the guiders, all the leaders, all the way they are influencing us a lot. I'm just loving it, and I'm expecting more and more, and I hope they will teach us a lot of things.
So today we got to know about three values. Among those three values, which one will be one value which you will reflect on?
The very first value, which attracted me the most was the first one only, honesty. And I also speak about honesty as well. This is not actually the first point I highlighted. There were three as well, but this attracted me the most. And the reason is that I have worked on it from the very first day of Let's Make a Difference, and I'm still working on it, and I hope that I'll improve later. And the next part was about the family. We all used to some used to live in joint family, some used to live in nuclear family. I live in nuclear family, and still I have a lot more different relation with my parents. With my younger brother, I used to fight with them. I used to be love with them sometimes. We make mistakes, we learn from our mistakes, and today when sir was speaking, sir was realizing us that what you should do, what you should not do. And I felt that yes, sometimes we do mistake, we should accept.
What is your story of change after attending the conference of Let's Make a Difference?
Basically, these 4 days have taught me a lot more things I cannot explain. But the very first thing which I have developed in myself was the honesty. I will not say that I was not honest before. I was, but I always tend to be a selfish girl. I always betrayed my friends sometimes. I do make mistakes. I used to lie to my parents sometimes. So after this session, after all the session actually, but the second session when sir introduced us with the 4 values of life, which are very common, but we never knew that they had such a deep meaning. And that honesty was something which poked me, which told me that you have to be honest now. This is the end of discussion. And today also I felt so overwhelmed. This was the last day. I really don't want to go home. I really don't want to join my school again. I want to be here. I want to learn more and more new things. And I hope that I'll come next year again and meet you all guys. Thank you.
So after the family session, do you have any regrets? Like any action or any word you spoke to someone? So, and how do you want to rectify it?
Definitely. Today, even on stage, when I was called to speak about my experiences, I told that there were certain things that I could not speak in front of the public. Yesterday also, when I attended the session, I went back home. There are certain things which I did wrong with my parents, though they were very supportive all the time. I was in standard 5 when I met with an accident and I was rendered blind by one eye. And there were certain bullies happening all around, people making fun of my eye and my disability, so to say. And my parents always encouraged me, and even then I feel I failed as a daughter. At times when there were times when I felt when their opinions did not match, I started arguing, I shouted at the top of my voice. And even yesterday while that quiet time was going on, and today while speaking on stage, I felt that I realized how wrong I was for such supportive parents. They have always been supportive. They were my pillars all the time, strength, giving me strength as much as possible. And whenever they went just a bit against my opinion, I used to shout. So yesterday I went back home, said sorry to them, and there was one incident particular which again I'm not going to share. I'm not that courageous to speak about. But I went back to my father, I spoke to him and I told him that I'm very sorry I did this in the year 2016. There was one mistake I did. And I said sorry for that. You know, it took me 8 long years to go back to my father and say sorry. And I'm very thankful for, my school and LMAT team that they have given this opportunity. I could learn so much in that quiet time. It took me such a long time to realize certain mistakes. In fact, there was a teacher that I disappointed. I'm definitely thinking of, going back to that teacher, saying sorry and all those things. And thank you for this opportunity.